body smoking like a cigarette. Oh no, baby I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Girls them around come. Me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I go love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, that come she jeje. No they do me, she get. You wanna come move fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh no, baby I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you.
Okay guys, so what I've been doing for this hair, once I got to the front I started splitting it. And so this is one strand unsplit. So I take it and I wrap it around my finger. Y'all didn't see that. I just take it, wrap it around my finger, and then I try to get out any knots or tangles. And then I go to the other side, I wrap it on my finger, and then I take my finger to pull it through, so that when I pull it apart, it doesn't get tangled. It just comes right apart, just like that. Okay? And I'm just pulling it apart once. In the back, I left it completely. I didn't pull it apart at all in the back. So, y'all already know the deal for the crochet. So what I just do, slip it underneath my braid, and then I place the hair on the latch hook, close it, pull it through again. Now for this hair, since it's so soft, I'm going to wrap it probably knot it 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then I pull it like that. Okay, and then I'm just putting it over here to this other side just so it could be out of the way. I'll show you guys one more time what I do. So I just take it, place it underneath this, pull it through. Alright, and that is what I do. Alright, so I'm gonna finish up and then I'm gonna come back and let y'all know my first impressions. Alright y'all, I'm back. This is the finished product of the hair. This is Lulutress Bohemian in 18 inches. This is the color number 2. I got it for my local beauty supply for $4.99 a pack, and I got 6 packs and I used almost all of it. This is about how much I have left. All right, But okay guys, so first impressions of this hair. I saw this hair on the mannequin head at the beauty supply, and first off I touched it. I'm like, it's really soft. So I'm like, okay, I've never tried Lulutress, so I gotta get it. Lulutress is by Sensational, which I've used Sensational's products before. Okay, now this is really soft hair, but for me, I don't know, I guess I gotten spoiled and I gotten used to pre-looped hair. Pre-looped hair is so easy. Pre-looped hair is really good for beginners. Okay, really good, right? But this hair, it was so soft, like I had to do the knots like at least 5 or 6 times to get the hair to not unknot and to stay in place. So, and even with that, it's still like really loose. So yeah, I'm gonna come back of course and do a review for y'all, let you know if this hair is worth your $4.99 a pack. So far the install, I mean, they say it's fully folded hair. It's cool, but to me, like for a beginner, if you're doing this for the first time, I don't think that this hair would be for you. I feel like if you're gonna do crochet braids for the first time as a beginner, pre-looped hair would be perfect for you, because you just, it's already looped for you. You don't have to try to hold it in place and loop it through. So what the problem I had was, I would be trying to loop it and then I would pull it through and I wouldn't pull all the hair through. But yeah, so let me show y'all, like y'all see, like, I mean, when I looped them 5 or 6 times, they got their hair to stay on there really good. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have been enjoying my crochet braid videos. But I will be back with a review indefinitely, probably 3 or 4 weeks. So you definitely want to stay tuned for that. Go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can get the notification when I do upload. And y'all, shout out to YouTube for finally giving me my community tab. I haven't used it yet, but I plan on using it. I'm not gonna be like spamming y'all and like sending like stuff like every single day, but I really appreciate you guys for tuning in to this video. Go ahead and check out my other crochet videos and my crochet reviews. All right, I don't want to be talking too much, but I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.